Guys, it's raining, but we are at one of America's best state parks. Okay, it's $6. $6. And we're going in here. It is the Henderson State Park in Destin. And I've been wanting to come here for a long time. So, all right, guys, Beach Pavilion and Nature Trail. And yeah, it's been raining. The radar has been lying to me. It's supposed to go away, but it hasn't. That's where the pavilions are, where you can park to go to the beach. I don't know. That's probably another area.
They suck about giving people damn maps.
Yeah, they don't give maps out or directions. I haven't seen where the nature trail is. Oh, but the water looks pretty. See, it's supposed to be, and Destin has prettier water. And so that's why I wanted to come here, but I didn't want it to be fucking raining, okay? We were already naughty and went to Crumble. So this is the second time we've got him this week. That's how good this week's Crumble is, guys. So if you got a Crumble, make sure you go this week. 10th through the 15th. Because today is July 13th, Thursday, July 13th, 4:07 p.m. Central Standard Time. Beach Pavilions and Nature Trail. Oh, there's the Nature Trail up there. Y'all can't see, but that's why it's drone use prohibited here too. Interesting. What's this right here? Looks like a little area and then a nature trail up there. But the rain. Looks like a little area. You can bring your picnic lunch too, kind of like the one we went to yesterday. They do have a lot of pretty dunes. A lot of big pretty dunes. Okay, first we're going to check out the nature trail. Entrance to Nature Trail and Playground. And we're going to hope for the best with the weather. It shows it just a light.
Pouring down on
It's
sky gonna open up like a motherfucker.
It shows just a light green on us.
Drenched. See how fast you can run.
I can run pretty fast. I was in track. I can hear the waves. Oh, so okay, we gotta. You want to go play on the playground? What in the earth is this? What kind of playground is that? Look at those ropes.
Damn vertical.
Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus. What are you trying to do? Right. I was going to say, don't try to hop to the log. No. The starfish, that's cute. But yeah, no. And what is this supposed to be? Yeah. Good job. Okay.
Looking at like, what the fuck is going on with these?
Oh my goodness. Maybe we can duck off on the nature trail under some trees. Yeah, they used to be swings and they took them down. That sucks. Right, badass kids. Here we go. All right, here we go. Up the beginning of the trail. Okay. Oh, this is a pretty view. You good? Henderson Beach State Park Nature Trail. All right. This is neat. This kind of reminds me of the one. What's it called over down Grayton Beach? Go for apples. Anytime you want to abort mission, baby, let me know. But it don't get no worse than this, I'm pretty sure. Okay. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's raining. Walking on dunes prohibited by state law. Let's see what's up here. Is that a statue or something weird? I see a thing. Let me see what that is. It's just a tree. Some flowers. Oh, okay. Just goes around. We come around the corner. Okay. Myrtle oak. Another bench in case you're tired. Sand live oak. I feel like we're on top right now. Are you good back there? Okay. More sprinkles. That's a neat looking tree. Kind of scary. What do we have here? The southern magnolia. This is a southern magnolia. I don't see no flowers on it, but all right. See, we're in as much nature as we can get with hotels right there. Oh, is this the steps up? Okay. Okay. Sandhill rosemary. Those guys. All right. Rain is getting a little bit heavier. It's always good to become one with nature, out in nature. Still strolling. We've been going for 13 minutes. Oh, there's a little bird. So it's a nice little nature trail. Woo! I made it to the toppiest of the tips. Yeah, we did. Now to take our asses back down. Okay, we are officially back down to where it parted earlier and we went up that way. Oh, okay, signs of wildlife. I definitely know how to look for those. So that's cool. Nice little nature trail. And here we go, back this way to the lot. All right, officially made it back to the top. What do you think about that little nature trail? It was okay? Now, we are going to make our way down to that water. Now, to get to the beach, we go up here through the bathrooms and make a left. Yeah. Ooh. There's little shower areas back there. Destin always has prettier water than we do. So my last video, the one before this, showed us East Florida, east of Panama City Beach. This is Destin. This is west an hour of Panama City Beach. Oh, he wanted to take the fancy route. Okay, Mr. Fancy Route. Oh, here, I'll take this route. It's my, instead of my red carpet, it's the blue carpet. Out to this beautiful water. Yeah. With the dark clouds back there. That's gonna stay there. Oh yeah. This is beautimous. Right? I'm about to leave my flip-flops right there. And see what this stuff feels like, guys. Oh. It's chilly. It's chilly. But it's so beautiful. Oh my God, it's chilly though, guys. It's chilly. Definitely chilly. But I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's just so pretty, guys. Oh, this is why I've been wanting to come to this state park for years, because I wanted to swim here. But of course, it's raining and the water's chilly. It's very cold for July in the Panhandle. I read that and I was like, yeah, right. And I came out here and felt it yesterday and I said, oh, fuck yeah, they're right. This is not July Panhandle temperatures. It's so pretty though, guys, isn't it? So beautiful. So beautiful. I'm on my own videotape. Oh, my hair's greasy. Yeah, that's so pretty. Beautiful. People are chilling. That's what you were hearing. Where am I, bud? Damn. That's super close. Wow, let me check that out. Okay, we're leaving the Henderson Beach State Park. How do you feel about this one, baby?
It's alright.
What about better than yesterday's one? You like it better than the St. George? Or did you like St. George better?
It's a little kind of bigger.
Bigger, more to stroll? Yep. But this is prettier.
I like the state. I like the little trail though.
Yeah, that trail we went on yesterday, at the St. George. Oh, this one, yeah, it was cool. Yeah, our little trail was cool. And I wish it was longer, but then kind of not, just because it was raining, you know. We're like, oh, but yeah, it was fun. There's actually quite a bit of little cabanas or whatever if you want to like have a family reunion or have a picnic or get together. Looks like there's grills right there. And yeah, and it looks like there's a beach chair and umbrella rental service. Oh God, that bitch looked scary. Oh, I wonder if that showed up, if you could see her. What did I saw? But yeah, so this also is at the state park if you're looking for something like this. We're going down here to see if there's any other trails, but I don't think there are. So this is Cabana A. And yeah. Okay, so that's the end of the Henderson State Park. We're gonna go explore somewhere else. Make sure you're subscribed and comment below if you have any questions or anything else. Okay. Deuces.